In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to voice chat in Minecraft on the Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up voice chat so you can talk to your friends while playing Minecraft on the Xbox One console. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that as of today, on all consoles, all platforms where Minecraft is available, the game itself does not have built-in voice chat functionalities. What this means is that if you were to open up the game, connect your microphone, and browse through all of the game menus, you wouldn't be able to find any option to talk to your friends directly inside of the game itself. However, the great alternative to this is using the Xbox One's built-in party chat system. So, all that you have to do is create or join a party with your friends and you will be able to talk to them. So, first, make sure that you have a headset with a microphone properly connected to your console or the actual controller, and once you have the microphone set up, all that you have to do is create a party. So press the Xbox home button on your controller, navigate to the social tab, and using the Xbox guide, you will be able to start a party. In there, you can choose between an open party where any of your friends can join automatically, or alternatively a closed party where you will have to manually invite them to join. Regardless, after you set up the party or your friend invites you to a party, just go ahead and make sure that all of you join the exact same party. Once all of you are in the party, you will be able to control the microphone settings like the volume, the threshold, and so on. And after you set up your microphone properly, as long as it has been detected and the party chat functionality is running on the background with the Xbox guide, you will be good to go. Now you can go back to Minecraft itself, and with the party chat running on the background, you can currently see who is in your party and their microphone status through the in-game party overlay. It's super simple, and this feature is already built into the Xbox One by default. I hope I was able to help you on how to voice chat in Minecraft Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.